Hi, I'm Kelly McMillan, and welcome to this edition of McMillan Tech Tips. One of the things that we've always tried to do at McMillan is to be a leader in the industry. We're always looking for ways to increase the desirability of our products to a wider number of shooters. So in doing so, we've come up with a new line of finishes. This is one of the Spectre line of finishes we've just introduced. It's a beautifully done, well-conceived, and well-executed digital type pattern. This is the Spectre ACU, perfect for early fall hunts in the Southwest for Coues deer, for antelope. It just makes a really good looking package, as you can see. This is just one version of our Spectre line of finishes. Here we have the latest addition to the McMillan lineup of molded in camouflages called the Ambush series. The first two colors in this line are Coyote Ambush, which has some darker browns in it and colored, what in an area where you might see coyotes. That's why we named it that. It kind of gives you that feel for that terrain. And Desert Ambush, which is basically like our other desert camouflages using similar colors, but in a kind of a random pattern that breaks up the lines, makes a really nice camouflage. So this is just the latest in the ambush line. We plan on coming out with more, so stay tuned to see the latest addition to the ambush line of finishes. To see more, go to McMillan USA or call our order desk for more information. Thanks for joining us for this edition of McMillan Tech Tips.